Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the language for RenderNet AI. In order to do so, first off you're going to go to app.rendernet.ai, and once you're there you should be met with a screen similar to this. Up at the top right hand corner you'll find your account icon, and if you click into that, then you're not going to find any options here related to changing your language. That's because in order to change the language on RenderNet, you do need to change the language in your browser settings. So if you go to the top right hand corner and you're on Google Chrome, then you'll find these three dots here. If you select that and scroll down towards the bottom here, you'll see this option here that says translate. We can go ahead and select that, and then from here you're going to see three more little dots. If you select those, then from there you can choose another language, and then in this menu that shows up you will see that you have a variety of languages that you can choose from. You can go ahead and click on one of those and then select translate, and your page will now be translated into whichever language you choose. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.